The smartphone world is buzzing with excitement, and Technology Review is here to bring you the most comprehensive insight into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. From its futuristic design to groundbreaking hardware advancements, this flagship phone is poised to set new standards in the industry. Leaks, rumors, and early renders have all pointed to one undeniable truth. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete redefinition of premium smartphones. Let's dive into the official first live look and uncover everything that makes this device a must-have for 2025. Redefining design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra marks a bold departure from the signature sharp edges of its predecessors. Instead, it embraces a sleeker and more ergonomic design, featuring ultra-thin symmetrical bezels for a nearly edge-to-edge display, rounded edges, replacing the sharp contours of previous models for better grip and usability. A refined frame inspired by iPhone-esque flat designs, ensuring practicality and aesthetics align perfectly. This design evolution not only enhances the phone's usability, but also sets a new benchmark for elegance in the flagship market. A display to dazzle. Samsung has always been a leader in display technology, and the S25 Ultra takes this reputation to the next level. 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display. With an impressive 3000 nits peak brightness, outdoor usability becomes effortless, even in direct sunlight. Second-generation Gorilla Armor Glass. Superior durability paired with anti-reflective properties ensures a robust and glare-free viewing experience. Adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, a seamless blend of fluidity and energy efficiency. For users who demand vibrant visuals and unmatched clarity, this display sets the gold standard. The processor, power redefined. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This powerhouse delivers unprecedented CPU and GPU speeds for flawless multitasking and gaming, advanced AI capabilities for smarter app functionality, and improved photography. Energy efficiency that works in tandem with the battery for extended usage. Benchmarking scores reveal its dominance, with single-core and multi-core performance leaving its predecessors in the dust. Battery longevity meets efficiency. Battery life remains a critical factor for users, and the S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint. 5,000 mAh battery offers long-lasting power, even for heavy users. 45W fast charging, get up to 50% charge in just a few minutes. Optimized with a Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensures longer battery life without compromising performance. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a casual user, this battery keeps up with your demands. Cameras, photography beast. Samsung has consistently pushed the envelope in smartphone photography, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes it even further with its advanced camera setup. 200MP main camera, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, captures stunning details, even in challenging lighting conditions. 50MP ultra-wide sensor, a significant upgrade for breathtaking landscapes and macro shots. 10MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom for capturing distant subjects. 50MP periscope lens, achieves an impressive 5x optical zoom. 12MP selfie camera, crystal clear shots for every occasion. While some might argue about the unchanged telephoto lens, the enhanced ultra-wide sensor promises revolutionary possibilities for creative photography. Software, seamless and intelligent. The Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on Android 15 paired with Samsung's One UI 7, offering seamless updates. Download updates in the background and install them with a quick restart, reducing downtime. Enhanced AI features. Samsung is yet to unveil its proprietary AI enhancements, but expectations are high for smarter and more intuitive user interactions. Customization options. Enjoy the best of Android with Samsung's refined interface. A look at exclusive colorways. Samsung brings sophistication to the forefront with its new titanium color options. Signature titanium blue, titanium black, titanium white, titanium gray. For those seeking exclusivity, limited edition colors will be available directly from Samsung's online store. Benchmarking brilliance. Leaked benchmarks highlight the raw power of the S25 Ultra. Single-core score, 3,049. Multi-core score, 9,793. These figures cement the phone's position as a top-tier performer, capable of handling everything from high-intensity gaming to advanced productivity tasks. Safety meets innovation. The S25 Ultra introduces groundbreaking features like car crash detection sensors, leveraging AI to enhance user safety. While its availability remains uncertain, this technology underscores Samsung's commitment to innovation with real-world impact. Should you upgrade? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another iteration in the flagship series, it's a revolution. From its stunning display and refined design to its powerhouse performance and advanced camera system, this phone is built for those who demand the best. Whether you're an avid tech enthusiast or simply seeking a reliable device, the S25 Ultra promises to exceed expectations.